How to book your Tokyo hotel room by using mobile app. Okay, let's move on. How to book your Tokyo hotel room by using mobile app. First, you're going to install the Tokyo Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app from Google Play Store by clicking the link below this video here at the description part, whereby the links look like this one. Or you can pause this video and scan the following QR code here with your mobile phone QR code scanner to install this Tokyo Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app. This one is the Tokyo Travel Tour Guide mobile app icon at Google Play Store. Okay, so after you have installed this Tokyo Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app, please follow this coming step-by-step video screenshot to book your Tokyo hotel room fast and easily before you travel to Tokyo for vacation and holidays with your family and friends. Okay, now let's move on. Okay, now at Google Play Store, okay, after you have installed this Tokyo Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app, click on this open button to open the app, Tokyo Travel Tour Guide app. Okay, now the app will look like this one, Tokyo Tour, and got icon here. Okay, now when you want to book the hotel room, okay, look for this icon in the middle at the top row here, hotel booking. Just click on it and then it will redirect you to the hotel booking page. Okay, then you can scroll down and choose the list of the hotel that you want to reserve the hotel room. Now let me enlarge the screen for easy viewing. Okay, on the left hand side here you can search the hotels in Tokyo by inputting this check-in date and check-out date. Then you can select this room for how many person. Okay, and then you click search, it will list out the available hotel at Tokyo. Okay, within that period, that date, check-in date and check-out date range. Okay, so you can scroll down also on this page on the right hand side. This part of the page display you the popular Tokyo hotels available, and you can see the rating, 4-star rating, the point, and the photo of each hotel. Okay, you can scroll down, and then once you decided to choose the hotel, for example, let's say I want to book this hotel, the Royal Park Hotel Tokyo Shiodome, 4-star rating, super 9 point. Let me click on this view deal. It will further show me the Royal Park Hotel Tokyo page with a bigger picture size for me to browse through and look at the hotel room here. Okay, so you can read the hotel description here, the point, city view, fantastic bar, super dining, all good. This hotel reviewed by 8,028 guests. Okay, if you want to book the hotel travel, you input the travel date here, the check-in and check-out date. Okay, you can read the hotel features here. Okay, and look at the guest review with the star rating and who are the person that stay here, that normally family most popular to stay in this hotel. Then you can browse through the bottom, and then you can read the other guest review on this hotel. Okay, let's say if you want to book this hotel, then you can also click here to show price. Okay, of course I have to force me to enter the check-in date. Let me select the date first. Okay, and I click on check availability and prices. Okay, then it will show me the price for this hotel. from a different hotel booking platform. Let's say I decided to choose this price, I can click View Deal, or I want to see furthermore compared to 5 websites. I click here and it will show me more options that I can book this hotel room with a different type of room with a different price from a different hotel booking platform. Yeah, let's say I want to book this hotel. I want to book this hotel economy double room. Okay, from the provider Agoda, I just click here View Deal. Then you will redirecting me to the hotel booking page within 3 seconds to Agoda. Okay, so again I select this hotel. I have to click on this hotel, then wait for the page to refresh. First I can scroll down. Okay, here please confirm the number of guests before making a booking. Yes, this is a photo picture of the hotel room, the Royal Park Hotel Tokyo. Okay, then this is the address, and you can scroll down and look at the detail of the hotels. Okay, then you click on, let's say you want to book this, reserve this hotel room, you just click on the book now button and it will further redirect you to the page of booking this hotel room. On this page you have to fill in your details, your first name, last name, email address, and your contact phone number and your country of origin, and then when you can inform them whether you prefer to smoking or non-smoking, what types of bed that you prefer. Okay, and more information you can inform to the hotel booking platform here. Okay, so let's say I decided to book this hotel room. I have to input my name. Okay, Alex King, alias@email.com. Okay, again retype to confirm my email address, alexking@email.com. Okay, then phone number is optional, and then please take if you prefer to if you are making this booking for someone. No, I'm making this booking for myself. I prefer non-smoking, prefer a large bed, and traveling with kids. No, I don't have. Okay, let us know when you arrive where property house. We will let the property or host know when to expect you. Okay, I just leave it there. I do not know. Then click here next button, and you will show me the booking details of my of the hotel room that I prefer to book. Okay, let's say I select pay later, or I would prefer to pay now. Okay, if I prefer to pay now, I click pay now. Then I have to input the payment method here. Select the payment method, whether through card, PayPal, bank, online banking, and then I have to input my card holder name here, my credit card or debit card number, and my other card information here. Okay, then I click book now. Okay, let's say if I do not want Agoda to email the promotion, I untick it. Okay, here it's showing, let's say I would like to pay later. Then okay, this is the hotel price, hotel features, hotel price, weekend sales, okay, additional further discount, 77% off today. Then I scroll down. If I want to book pay later now, then I book now and pay later. I click the button. Of course, before that I still need to select the option. I have to input the credit card information here. Of course, I'm not going to input my credit card information here, but you got the point. Once you click this button, it will show me to the next page to confirm my hotel booking and email my hotel room booking information to my given email address. Once this has been done, just hit done. I will exit the page and you can further explore to this Tokyo Tour mobile app, Tokyo Tour Guide mobile app here. Okay, so where to install this mobile app to book your Tokyo hotel room? Okay, I'll show you the page again. Okay, you can pause this video. You can click on the link below this video description and then scan this QR code with your mobile phone QR code scanner to install this Tokyo Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app to book your hotel room at Tokyo before you travel to Tokyo. Okay, so remember to click the thumbs up like button and the notification bell and share this video to your friends. Okay, goodbye.